everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am teacher Barnabe and I help you to learn English with a simple and clear explanations plus some Kinyarwanda to make everything easy. Muraho neza ni mwarimu wanyu Barnabe. Nongeye kubaha ikaze uyu munsi bafite isomo ryiza cyane nshaka ko buri wese aza gukurikirana. So today we are starting our advanced English series and our first lesson is about has been and have been. We have been going through a lot about our basic English videos and now we are starting our advanced English series. So please, if you are new here, scroll down. You will see a lot of video for the beginners, how to construct a sentence, what is a subject or what is a verb, and then now you will come up to our first advanced English series. So when we use has been and have been is used in its present perfect continuous. So we use present perfect continuous to show an action started in the past and continues now. For example, I have been teaching since morning. I have been teaching since morning. Nigishaga kuva mu gitondo until now maybe I'm still teaching. An action that has results now. She has been learning, now she is tired. She has been learning all the way, maybe since morning, but now she is tired. So present perfect continuous is used for showing the action that started that started in the past and continues now, but also an action that has results now. We also use present perfect continuous to ask about duration. How long? How long have you been waiting? Wari umaze igihe kingana gute utegereje? So then we use has been, we use has been, we use has been for he, she, and it. So we say he has been, she has been, it has been. Then we use have been, for I, you, we, they. So I have been, you have been, we have been, they have been. Don't say I has been. No. Don't say she have been. No. That's a mistake. So we use has been for he, she, and it, and we use also have been for I, you, we, and they. Now we go to structure. How do we use has been or present perfect continuous? So we take subject plus have or has plus been plus verb plus ing. For example, I have been studying. I have been studying. Nari maze akanya niga cyangwa se nigaga. So I subject have been plus verb plus ing. I have been studying. Now let's go through the examples with some Kinyarwanda translation to make our learning very simple. If you are new here, iyi ni channel nziza ishobora kugufasha kwicyongereza umunsi ku munsi neza kandi vuba. Let's proceed. I have been waiting for the bus for a long time. Nari maze igihe kinini ntegereje bisi. I have been waiting. I subject have been waiting, verb to wait plus ing for the bus for a long time. Nari maze igihe kinini ntegereje bisi. She has been cooking since morning. Kuva mu gitondo yaratetse. She has been cooking since morning. Since kuva. Since morning. She has been cooking since morning. Since morning she has been cooking. Kuva mu gitondo yaratetse. Shikora ku mukobwa nkuko nabibabwiye. You go through in our basic English. We learn more. We have been looking for water for hours. Twari tumaze amasaha dushaka amazi. We have been looking, verb to look plus ing for water for hours. He has been repairing the phone since yesterday. Kuva ejo yarimo gukoresha telefoni. He has, he tukongeraho has been. Don't say he have been, no. He has been repairing the phone since yesterday. Good. Now reka dukore practice kwibazo turakubaza ngo how long have you been waiting? Ese wari umaze kingana gute utegereje? Turasubiza kuvuga ngo I have been waiting for 10 minutes. Ntegereje kuva minota 10. I have been waiting since morning. Kuva mu gitondo since morning. Kuva mu gitondo for 10 minutes. Iminota 10 for 10 minutes iminota 10. I have been waiting. Iyo gusubiza zanye kuvuga ngo I have been waiting because how long have you been waiting? I have been waiting since morning. I have been waiting for a short time. I have been waiting for a long time. Yes. Uku nguku niko dushobora gusubiza ibibazo bakubajije ukoresheje I have been. I have been waiting for 10 minutes. I have been waiting since morning and so on and so forth. They can ask you, how long have you been studying English? Now I'm asking you, how long have you been studying English? Wari umaze ikintu kingana gute urimo uriga icyongereza until now? So you can reply and say, I have been studying English for 2 years. I have been studying English for 2 years. I have been studying English since primary school. I have been studying English for a few months. For a few months. Then I have been studying English since 2020. Yes. How long have you been living in Kigali? How long have you been living in Kigali, in Rwanda, in Canada, in America? So I can say I have been living in Kigali for 5 years, but I think now you are still living in Kigali. I have been living in Kigali since 2018. I have been living in Kigali for a short time. I have been living in Kigali since last month. Wow. Very good. How long have you been teaching? How long have you been teaching? For me, I have been teaching for 7 years. I have been teaching since 2016. I have been teaching for a long time. I have been teaching for 2 years only. Yes. Now it's time. It's time for your practice. And let me know in a comment. How have you been using a smartphone? How have you been using a smartphone? I have. Yes. Let me know in the comment section. How long have you been playing football? How long have you been playing football? So this is how you can ask a question by using have been, how long have you been? I have been, yes, and how you can answer them. So please make subscribe, follow us in this YouTube channel, and I hope that you are going to learn English very well and in a fantastic way. So thank you very much. Thank you for watching. See you next time. See you tomorrow. I have many videos for you. Thank you.